said, what? You know what I think? Oh, hang on, I gotta go. Hey, Craft-Bilt lovers, fancy meeting you here. I wasn't expecting anyone, we've just closed. But since you're here, I've got something I want to show you. Come on, come on. Come on, I've been waiting. Forgot all about this. I'll be so happy when I don't have to wear a mask anymore. So what you're looking at is a partial view of our staging area for shipping and receiving. So it's been a crazy time for the home improvement industry in Canada in 2021. Here is a 4-track window order, all skidded up, shrink wrapped, ready to go. Here is a retractable awning order, ready to go. This looks like a patio cover order with insulated panels. This is going to Peterborough. Here's another order of insulated panels going to London, Ontario. But wait, there's more. Various aluminum railing jobs ready for pickup. A big aluminum railing job headed for Manitoba. This is called Thermopan decking. We use that on some sunroom floors. So this is an order that is going to the Montreal area. Here's a patio cover. Don't know what city that's going to. Another patio cover going to Halifax. What I'm sitting on right now and what is just in front of you is about 15,000 pounds of our aluminum decking. This area behind me is where we make our Grand Vista sunrooms and Vista screen rooms and maybe a couple of other things. Here's another sunroom all packaged and skidded, ready to go on a truck. Sorry about the mess. It was quitting time about 10 minutes ago, and we are busy as heck. This area behind me is most of our railing inventory, our production area for railing. Let's see what else there is. This is what the bundles of extrusion look like when we receive them from our extruder. Craft-Bilt has about 200 proprietary dies, and we have to stock them all in huge amounts, typically 2,000 kilos for every single shape. If that shape has multiple colors, that means even more inventory. Do we sell a lot of aluminum decking? Oh yeah. We're walking by an area now that is 3 or 4 cantilevers, just chock full of aluminum decking. These are called orbital wrappers. The aluminum bundles are fed through, and as they're fed through, these plastic rolls go around and around and protect them for shipping or pickup. Polycarbonate sheets, 36 feet long. We're ready for your translucent roof orders. Tens of thousands of pounds of aluminum that we can't even fit on our racks yet. And hundreds of custom-made panels for sunroom and patio cover orders. Let alone the thousands of pounds of offcuts that we scrap every month. We go through a lot of material. You know, we were having a marketing meeting the other day, and we said, why is it so hard for Craft-Bilt to come up on page 1? We're making all of these products. Page 1 of a Google search, a Bing search. Why is Home Depot or Best Buy coming up on page 1 of a search for a patio cover? it seems that once these companies have instituted the technology to build their online store, they can throw all the products they want. They don't have to have them in stock. They don't have to make them. I dare say that the company that supplies Home Depot with their patio cover on their website doesn't even make the patio cover. They're probably themselves once removed from the process. They're a distributor bringing something from offshore. So why did I take you on this little adventure? We just wanted you to know that yes, Craft-Bilt makes it, Craft-Bilt stocks it. Now get out of here, I have to lock up. Thanks for watching.